to our video on onboarding existing applications into OpenShift. My name is Mariah. I work with the Northeast Consulting and Red Hat.
Hi, my name is Freddy. I'm an architect with the Container and Platform as a Service practice at Red Hat.
So, Freddy, I wanted to talk to you today because I know you work a lot with OpenShift, and I've been hearing a lot of people talking about OpenShift and containerization. So I have a few applications that I would like to onboard into OpenShift, and I was wondering if you could give me some advice.
I'm happy to help. Tell me a little bit more about your applications.
Sure. So this first application I have is kind of an older application. It's just your classic 3-tier UI, business rules backend. The only issue is that our development team doesn't want to spend a ton of time refactoring it, so we just kind of want to get it into OpenShift pretty quickly.
Okay, for that we have a strategy called lift and ship, where Red Hat Consulting will come and help your development team come up with a strategy, CI/CD pipeline process to containerize your existing application. Then we'll take that image that we created and we'll basically utilize it with OpenShift.
Great. So it sounds like that's a good option for that first one, just putting it right into OpenShift as it is. And I have a second application that is very similar to that application that I just talked about, but I do have a development team that wants to make changes so that we can utilize OpenShift as the best of our ability. So what changes should we make first?
We'll take that application and we'll break it down into its own microservices, which then will be used by OpenShift, which will utilize all of the benefits that OpenShift can give you, like auto-scaling, load balancing, high availability, and security.
Okay, great. So we're making one image go into many images, essentially, when we start using microservices.
Correct.
Okay, so that sounds like a good option. What if I have an application that is using proprietary software that can't be containerized? Can I still use OpenShift with that?
For that third strategy, we like to keep your existing application outside of OpenShift, but work with your development team to create new functionality, which will be microservices that will be utilized by OpenShift.
Okay, so it sounds like we're still bringing in the microservices bit for whatever we can take out of this application that can be containerized.
Correct. There's one small issue with the third strategy, is that there's something called 12-factor app methodology, where there's one rule that says don't have external dependencies. In your third strategy, because we keep in your existing application outside of OpenShift, that creates your dependency.
Okay, so if you have to use this software that can't be containerized, then you just need to be aware that that is an issue that you might have to deal with.
Correct.
Thank you, Freddy, for all of that. So it looks like Red Hat Consulting can help out with all of these options. So how would someone reach out to us to get in contact?
To get the conversation started, contact your Red Hat account executive or visit us at redhat.com/services to learn more about training or what Red Hat Consulting can do for you.